So, Rian, in South Africa, we have life rights, retirement accommodation, and we have sectional title, retirement accommodation. Please just shed light, what is the difference between the two? And in your professional experience and expertise, which one would you recommend and why?
In short, life right is just that, the right to live in a property for the rest of your life. You don't get ownership, you don't buy ownership, you don't have the benefit of capital growth in the value of the property over the years that you live in that property.
So you buy to live there for the rest of your life?
You pay to live there for the rest of your life, and that's basically that. I am an advocate for full ownership, for sectional title retirement ownership. It has many benefits. One of them being that you get the benefit of capital growth in the value of the property over the 5 or 10 or 20 or even 30 years that you live in that property. When you need to sell or move at a later stage, you sell at a market-related price and you are in the position to buy a similar property at the same price. The second benefit there for me is that your children can inherit the property. Because it's ownership, children can also assist parents to buy property for retirement, which at the same time can be an investment for the children. And yeah, I think one of the other great benefits that we see is because it's ownership, people can buy at a younger age and rent out the property as an investment to prepare for their retirement at a later stage.